bleach is not a pool chemical, and they're not the same thing. So household bleach is about 6 to 8% in strength, whereas chlorinating liquid that you use in a swimming pool is anywhere from 10 to 15%. So they're not the same strength, which would make the dosing very different for both of those products. If you were trying to use household bleach to accomplish the same thing that a chlorinating liquid that's made for a pool would do, you would be using almost twice as much. This is not a great option for the pool. Chlorinating liquid or bleach adds a lot of extra products to the pool. It adds salt, it adds some things to the pool that contribute to your TDS. And these are things that you want to limit to the best of your ability. So adding twice as much to accomplish the same thing just doesn't make any sense. Stick to the chlorinating liquid that's made for swimming pools, the 10 to 15% product, and you will find that equivalent to 2 tablets a week in your pool is going to establish your residual and help you maintain it.